Good morning, guys. This is Miss Callahan here. It's time to grade your SPIRE review from Monday, the 20th of April. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Go ahead and pull up your SPIRE review for Monday on your computers. I've got it written down on my paper right here, so let's go ahead and get started. So for number one, order the numbers from the least to greatest. So we got to start out with the least. So looking at my numbers, I have 378, 99, and 309. Well, I already know that 99 is smaller than these two numbers because there is not a hundreds place here. They're just a ones place and a tens place. So 99 definitely goes first. Now we're looking at 378 and 309. Well, 300 is, both have a 300 in the hundreds place. There's a 3 in the hundreds place, so we got to move to the second digit. So look, there's 7, and then there's a 0. Well, which is bigger? The 7. 370 is bigger than 300, so the next number to come in the line is 309. And then last but not least, 378. All right, and here is your answer for number one, 99, 309, 378, okay? Number two, Haley's sticker collection has 479 stickers. Her best friend has 498 stickers. How many do they have all together? Well, here's my key word here, guys. All together means you're putting them together, which means you're probably going to add them. So we're going to add these numbers together. I'm going to write them out to the side here. 479, 498. All right, let's get started. 9 plus 8 is 17, but we can't put all 17 down here, so I have to keep my 7 down here, add my 1. 7 plus 9 is 16, add 1 more is 17, so I got, again, keep my 7 down here and add the 1. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. Your answer, 977. All right. Number 3 is 8 times 5. We can do that. We just have to count by 5s 8 times. Are we ready? Let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Your answer is 40. All right. So this is an area question. It says, Johnny's bedroom has an area of 90 square feet. What might the length and the width of the bedroom be? What multiplies together to equal 90? Think of your multiples of 10. All right, so we know that to get area, which is what we have here, we have to have length times width equals A, which in this case equals 90. So these two numbers are going to have to multiply together to get 9. And Miss Jones gave us a hint saying multiply by 10. All right, so I think we're going to have to count by 10s to get to 90. Let's see how many times we have to do it. All right, ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So if you counted my fingers, I counted to 10. I counted up to by 10s 9 times. So that means 10 times 9 equals 90. So your length in this case is 10 and your width is 9. So there's your answer for number 4. All right, moving on, we're comparing these two fractions. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. 3 times 2 is 6. 12 times 1 is 12. Which one's bigger? The 12 is. So that means that 1/2 is greater than 3/12. Or you could say 3/12 is less than. Oops. All right, there's your answer here. All right, that was number 5. Number 6. All right, so that's a word problem, and we've got elapsed time. All right, ready? Every Saturday, Jessica has dance class beginning at 11:15. All right, so 11:15 is right here. If her class is 1 hour and 30 minutes long, what time will her class end? So I think the easiest way to do this is start at 11:15, which is here, and we're gonna hop an entire hour. So we're gonna go all the way past the 12 to 12:15. So we started at 11:15, we did an hour, which gave us 12:15. But we're not done because her class was an hour and 30 minutes. So we have 12:15. So what I think the easiest thing to do here is add 12, 15, 30 minutes. There's nothing here because it's not an hour and 30 minutes, it's just 30 minutes. 0 plus 5 is 5, 1 plus 3 is 4. Do my dots, bring down my 12. Your answer is 12:45. Number 7, 8 times 8. All right, that's a big one, but that's one that I've shared before about a rhyme that helps you remember the answer to this. And it goes like this. I ate till I got sick on the floor. 8 times 8 is 64. So you have to tell that in your head a couple times to remember this answer. Do it because it's really helpful. All right. 8 times 1, this is pretty easy. Anything multiplied by 1 is itself. 8 times 1 is 8. 3 times 4. All right. So we can do this many ways. We could do 3. We could add 3 4 times. We could add 4 3 times. Or we could just use our facts that we already know. We know that 4 times 2 is 8, and then we can add 4 more to that. So how about I do this? How about we add 3? How about we add 4 3 times? That sounds like less numbers to add. Okay, 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 4 more is 12. Your answer is 12. 0 times 4, this is easy because anything times 0 is 0. All right, guys, these are your answers for yesterday's SPA review for Monday, April 20th. And remember, if you needed to go back and look at an answer, you can rewind this video or you can pause it if you needed to catch up. All right, guys, have a great day.